Hi everybody, it's the Retro Yuki once again, giving you guys a little Mudae game tutorial for you guys. If this is the first time here, subscribe below and check out that like button for more Mudae game tutorials like this one and some other tutorials coming up. So for today, we're going to be talking about what happens in a non-premium Mudae server. Premium Mudae servers are a little bit different than non-premium servers, and they have different rule sets. So let's go ahead and talk about the actual game itself. So in a recent update, ladies and gentlemen, the Mudae game has removed automatic hearts during the high traffic hours of 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Pacific time. So when you roll a character, you're not going to see a heart like here. But what you need to do if you want to claim a character in a non-premium server, you have to react to it as if it was a regular message from a friend. Do so, press the add reaction button, and get a heart icon like this one. The first one to do it within the 30 seconds gets that character for that particular claim period. The same rules, however, apply with the claims. You still can only claim one character every 3 hours. As far as other things you guys cannot do as a non-premium server, you cannot use MK. MK is a command that lets you roll a character that has been rolled for Kakera purposes, but you cannot use that as a non-premium server. Keep that in mind if you're trying to get some Kakera. You have to roll the regular way using $H, $W, $MG, HG, and all that good stuff. Okay, now as a admin or a moderator, moderators and admins can do some settings. You can do prefix and language. However, the set claim, the set interval, and the shift hour is usually reserved for premium members. So let's see if we can do it here. So set interval is going to be a premium member only thing. Okay. So rolls per hour is at 13. You can still use this only up until 13. However, on certain hours, they will actually limit it because of high traffic. The set timer is still 30:45. Set rare, I would still keep it no default. Game mode and channel instance, I would still keep default, however. Anything in here can still be used, except for this one, the harem limit. That can still be impacted by premium only features. Keep that in mind. And then all this is okay. This you guys can still use as moderators and admins. Still, if you are a moderator of a non-premium server, I would still my best advice is going to keep everything default except for rolls per hour. Keep it at 13. Make it to 13. As a player, you still have to be quick to the button, or in this case the reaction, because you have to react to the same character and get the heart icon in place. So make sure you know how to do your heart icon emojis there. Okay, that is the main change from premium to non-premium servers. If you guys want a look at how a premium server works, please stay tuned for a tutorial coming up. But for now, that is all I have for you guys. If anything comes up, I will let you guys know in a future update. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. For now, that is it. We'll see you guys on the next Mudae game tutorial.